The Kreg Portable Crosscut helps you make perfect 90-degree and 45-degree cuts across boards using your circular saw. Now you can get professional quality results anywhere you need to cut quickly and easily using Kreg Guided Cutting. The portable crosscut guides the edge of your saw base perfectly straight, but it does much more. The portable crosscut's capabilities start with retractable cutline indicators that position the guide precisely, so you know exactly where your saw blade will cut. The indicators easily adjust to match your saw, so all you have to do is align the indicator with your cut line, and you know the portable crosscut is perfectly positioned to cut at that exact location. Release the spring-loaded lever to retract the indicator out of the way, and you're ready to cut, whether at 90 degrees or 45 degrees. The portable crosscut stays just where you want it to, thanks to GripMaxx anti-slip material that keeps a firm grip on the board. Because keeping the blade aligned as you start the cut can be challenging, especially when cutting at 45 degrees, the portable crosscut also features a saw support ledge that keeps your saw base stable at the beginning of the cut. You can cut boards up to 8 inches wide with the portable crosscut, and it works with just about any circular saw, whether the blade is on the left or the right side of the saw. The portable crosscut is designed to deliver guided cuts that exceed your expectations for accuracy, and it's built to last with impact-resistant polymer construction. Because the portable crosscut is from Kreg, you're also getting more than just a tool. You're getting a company committed to helping you achieve cutting results and project results that exceed your expectations through the simplicity and certainty of guided cutting. Plus, the portable crosscut is backed by Kreg, so you get a complete line of tools, accessories, support, plans, and educational information you need to succeed. To learn more about the portable crosscut, as well as Kreg's other products for building DIY and woodworking projects, visit us online at kregtool.com.